7 and the bunnies roll. Race 1. All set, the GBATA Bathurst. Ready racing, come in a fairly good line. Winning the break was Made to Bogey, goes to the early lead. Great Solution railing forward. Going up behind them, Copper Pepper with a nice run. Checked off its heels there. Round the outside was Frankenshine. The leader ran off Great Solution and going to the front, Copper Pepper. Copper Pepper 3 in front of the straight and coming away. Second will go to Made to Bogey. On the inside, maybe Small Gun third. Behind them was Frankenshine was close up. So too Big Gun. Behind them runners then Great Solution who ran off. Miss Lee back with it and one more back there was Outlaw 1. Winner number 5, Copper Pepper. Red Brindle Dog by Oaks Road out of Supreme Allegro. Owned and trained at Cara by Frank Jeffcoat. Second will go to the 3, Made to Bogey by Bogey King, Fernvale Flyer, Earl Anderson, Mount Rankin. And third to number 4, Small Gun, Spring Gun, Merlin. Also Earl Anderson, Mount Rankin. 5, 3, 4 and 1. The numbers 5, 3, 4, 1. 17.83 the time. 5 1/4 by 3/4. 5 1/4 by 3/4.